Ba-dum-bum-bum. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make money in 2026, but it's going to be the same strategy it's been in 2023, 24, 25. And so it's the keep it simple strategy. And this is for coaches, teachers, and experts. And so, uh, how does anybody make money on YouTube? Or how do the people that are making good money, how do they do it even with a small channel? So why YouTube helps make money? So first, you got to understand YouTube is helpful for traffic. Like that's the name of the game. You need traffic and you need to have something to sell them. So YouTube's still going to be good for traffic in 2026. It's the number 2 search engine in the world, still growing. Authority. And so this is when people talk about AI killing your business. YouTube's going to be around because it actually builds trust and authority because people get to hear you talk, they trust you, they come to you for specific advice. That's not going away, and Shorts is not going to replace that. So long form videos are going to position you as a trusted leader, which is so good for making money in business. And then list building, right? The biggest thing that most YouTubers make, the mistake that they make is that they don't build a list of community or they don't have free gifts. You want to turn this traffic into a list of qualified buyers, and you want to have something to sell them. And so, what can you sell them? How can you make money? So, you can sell other people's products, OPP, other people's products, and this can be recommendations of books, tools, softwares that your audience needs. I'm going to share some examples of this in a second. But you want to think BDA, before, during, and after. So, whatever you're a coach or an expert, you're helping people achieve this goal. You're helping the caterpillar become the butterfly. Throughout that journey for your customer, they're going to be buying other products or services before they work with you, during their time with you, and after they work with you. Those are the products that you want to sell your audience because then everybody who is attracted to the offers and attracted to the products are all totally aligned. And so make a list of your BDA products, and that's going to be the products that you sell, and then your own products. If you have coaching services or packages or online memberships or workshops, you want to sell your own products. But that's going to be the same way that people have made money on YouTube over the last 10 years. It's going to be the same next year and the year after that. So YouTube generates traffic, it gives you authority and trust, it helps you build your list, and you can sell other people's products and you can sell your own products. And so comment your niche below, and I can give you some examples of different affiliate products or BDA businesses that you can sell their products. But here's some examples by niche. A life coach or a business coach, right? So you can sell one-on-one coaching, you can sell group coaching, you can sell masterminds, but you could also be an affiliate for other people's business events. You can be an affiliate for business retreats, books, journals, softwares. You can make a lot of money recommending softwares because a lot of those have recurring revenue affiliate programs. And so you can sell your products or other people's products. A yoga teacher, for example, could sell online classes, online membership, a workshop, or a retreat. Those could all be her products, but she could also recommend other people's mats, other people's props. She can sell other people's retreats, or he, or other health brands, right? They could sell supplements, they could sell essential oils. And so all of those are products or services that a yoga person might buy before, during, or after they are watching a yoga video. If you're a marketing expert or educator, you can sell consulting, you can sell digital courses, you can sell done for you services, but you can also be an affiliate for cameras, for mics, for email softwares, or for editing tools, right? And so you want to have tools in the toolkit that will generate profit for you. So you can have your services, you can have other people's services. The most profitable strategy on YouTube is going to be list building. And so, don't worry so much about views, but you want to continuously get a bigger and bigger list. And so whatever you're doing for your list building, whether you're driving people to a community or a free email list, that's the name of the game. Bigger email list, bigger business. You can make a ton of money with just one email. So make sure you're using YouTube to grow your list. Use YouTube to offer a free source, a challenge, a template, or a mini course. You're going to capture the emails. This builds a warm audience that you can nurture, and then you can upsell them to memberships, programs, courses, your products, or other people's products. And what's great about an email list is that they might not buy right now, but if you email them next week, they might be ready. If you email them a year from now, they might be ready then. And so it's going to be the most profitable thing you can do for your YouTube or for your business is to start list building. And if you want to implement more money-making strategies in your YouTube channel, join my YouTubers Freedom Academy.